If you're a property or facility manager that hasn't replaced your old POTS lines, you've probably noticed your phone bill increasing dramatically, even as much as 400%. Switch now to an innovative solution that saves you money, eliminates POTS line dependency, and enables you to keep using your existing emergency voice and alarm systems. Enjoy the confidence of using a reliable phone service trusted by more than 2 million users. Ooma AirDial is an all-in-one, highly affordable drop-in POTS replacement solution that runs on a secure and reliable network. Reduce complexity by resolving all your POTS challenges with the POTS replacement expert that provides hardware, data, and phone service in one service package at one monthly rate, complete with 24/7 support. Ooma AirDial enables you to remain compliant while continuing to use your critical life safety communications and alarm systems. It works with security panels, elevator phones, fire alarms, public safety phones, building entry phones, fax machines, and more. Built with compliance in mind, Ooma AirDial is easy to install. In the event of an outage, Ooma AirDial has a backup battery and its own wireless connection that keeps your life safety systems connected for more than 8 hours. See all your emergency voice and alarm systems at a single glance using the remote device management portal. And receive email and text alerts should any system go offline. No matter where your emergency life systems are located, Ooma helps resolve all your POTS headaches, keeps costs under control, and allows you to never worry about your emergency voice and alarm systems again. Visit our website or call 866-902-6765 for a free consultation.